At this time of the year, mow your lawn twice a week. Leave the clippings on the lawn, but mow it twice a week because it's growing so fast, you're gonna stress it out less if you mow it twice a week. Make sure your blade is like really sharp, like super sharp. Go ahead and get another blade and put that on the mower. You know, you should have two blades anyways. Sharpen the blade you have and make sure your blade that's on your mower is super sharp. And you'll know your blade is dull because you see how we're looking across this lawn and there's no brownish cast or brownish haze. That means the blade is sharp. I really wish the tips were a little bit more cleanly cut, so maybe I'll sharpen my blade, but if you look at the tip of the grass, it should be more like this one, where it's just a nice clean line, as opposed to this one where it's kind of ripped. So mow twice a week, keep the mower blade sharp, and the third tip is mow high. I am mowing my lawn right now at 4.5 inches. I have a zero-turn mower. I think it goes up to 5. But if you look at whatever mower you have, whether it's walk behind or not, you should be in the top third of heights and go as high as you can to where the grass doesn't flop over or you get in trouble with your spouse. Those 3 tips alone are going to make a huge difference. Mow often, keep the blade sharp, and mow tall, and you'll be way ahead